In front of me is REALME C75, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, you need to open Settings and tap on Bluetooth. Now use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it. And wait. Available devices will show here. When you see one you wish to connect to, click on it and wait for the pop-up. Click on this icon next to allow access to contacts and call logs to enable or disable it, and hit pair. Then wait for the other device to accept your connection request, or in case of connecting with another smartphone or a tablet, connect it manually on the second device. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. To manage this connection, tap on tiny icon next to your paired device. And check out all of those options, including unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!